In this video we will create project number 10. So this is our project, you can see here. For creating this project we having some different views like that: top view, front view, and then a right side view. So some different views are given here. Okay, so with the help of that all dimensions value which are given in different views, we are going to create this project. So I'm going to start from the front view. Okay, so outer loop actually you are going to create first. So first you calculate all your values. Okay, and according to that values you should start. So total length how much? 30 plus 90 plus 80 and 200 mm. Okay, so just go for a sketch, go for software and create a sketch on front plane, sorry. And then first of all, first your reference. Okay, create a line first and then define some dimensions. So what is the bottom line dimension according to your sketch? 200 mm. So just define it. And then what section you need, actually what loop actually you want to create, first you create like that loop. So simply I am going to create approximately like that loop, and after then I will define all dimensions. So what dimension you have to define? So total height values between two lines, how much? First and second line or point you can select, then you have to define 100 mm. Okay, then just go for another dimension. So this horizontal line from both point you have to define 30 mm. So select this point and this point and define 30 mm. Okay, next this line length values actually we need. So what values is given in this drawing? 90 mm. Okay, so go to NX and define that values how much? 90 mm. Okay, now this profile is ready. I'm going to get inside profile. So how you will create? Just offset it. Okay, with the some offset values, go for offset curve, select your connected curve, change your direction and define how much values? 20 mm. Okay, just click OK. So now you can see your front sketch is ready. Next what you have to do? You have to extrude. Go for extrude and select your sketch, change your direction if you want. Then how much you have to extrude? 200. You can see from the top view, just extrude it as a 200 mm. Okay, so next step, what is the next step? So go for a sketch. I'm going to cut out some section. You can see what section I have to cut. So first of all I am to cut this area. You can see there are two cut actually, in top plate and bottom plate. So first of all I am going to create on top plate. Okay, so some values are given. How much? Just see again. So this loop actually you are going to remove. Okay, so for that some values 160 mm and from this line 80 mm. So go for top face and create a sketch. So simply first create a rectangle. Okay, after then we will define some parameters, some dimensions. So simply create a rectangle, define some dimensions. So this line length is how much? You can see in your sketch 160 mm. So just define 160. Next, from this outer line to this line, this rectangle line values how much? You have to define 80 mm. You can see here 80 mm. So just define 80 mm. Okay, then next what you have to do? You have to symmetric this rectangle. So how to symmetric? So create a center line first. So for center line I'm going to create a line, then just convert it as a construction line by right click on your mouse and just symmetric this rectangle with the reference of this center line. Now you can see your rectangle is symmetric. Okay, next one more thing is there. One circle is there, semicircle is there. So first create your full circle, then you can trim outside circle. So you go for just intersection point and create a circle first. So just try not to define any tangent relation or any other relation. Just without relation you have to create. Okay, again just a second. Okay, now just define. Already I defined some values, define that values, and then just trim it. And now what you have to do, you have to cut out this. Okay, so select your sketch, change your direction, and go for subtract. Okay, how much? Until selected or extended. So till that surface actually winning. So some extra part you can see that is appeared here. So we have to cut out again. So go for a sketch on this face and create a simple any closed profile. Okay, so according to that profile we can cut that section, some extra sections. So just I created a rectangle and go for extrude and just define any values and subtract it. Now you can see, and another one profile is there. Also you have to complete this. So go for top view and create a simple circle with same diameter values or radius values and just extrude it. Okay, select your sketch, change your direction, and then unite it. Okay, just remember this, you have to unite this. Okay, till until extended, just select as a reference surface and click OK. Now you can see your profile is completely ready. Just you can hide your sketch. Okay, so let's see next step. What is the next step? Next you have to cut down this one, this bottom cutout. So for that you have to create a rectangle with some values. So just go for bottom face and create a rectangle again. Okay, same procedure you have to apply according to your second step. So define rectangle length values, how much? This values is 160 mm, and then this line length value is how much? You have to define 80 mm. Just close it. Again you have to symmetry this. So create a center line first, right click on that. Just a second, just a second. Why all sketch are selected? Okay, just a second. Again go for a sketch. So I think selection method is on a sketch. Okay, I'm going to create again. Select your bottom face and then create a rectangle first. Okay, define dimension, how much? Same dimension you have to define. This is the ATM and this dimension is 160 mm. Just create a center line again, same procedure I am doing actually. Okay, just convert, just a second, just change your object selection as a no selection filter. Okay, and just go for make symmetry, select both lines and now select your center line and just now you can see your rectangle is symmetric. Now you cut out it, go for extrude, just change your direction and until next you can define and just not unite, just go for subtract and then say preview. Okay, now you can see both cutout is completed. Next what you have to do, you have to cut out from the top face. How? Go and create a circle first, define dimension and then you have to cut out through all. Okay, so just define what dimension, what parameters actually you require. 50 mm, just close it, finish your sketch and then just go for extrude and subtract it. Okay, change your direction and here you can select through all. Okay, subtract all, in subtract, click OK. Now you can see cutout is created. Next step is fillet. You have to apply fillet. You can see this corner, so all four corner are filleted, so you have to define fillet. Radius is 10 mm. Okay, so go for as blend and select that edges first, select that edges. Okay, all four edges you have to select. Also this step you can finish on your sketch step, but no issue, in 3D tools also you can complete this. Okay, now you can see your project is ready. Okay, you can see your top view. So this is front view. Okay, this is isometric view.